there, I'm Maria Chaudhry, and now we're here at Apothecary Wisdom, and we're talking today about one of my favorite plants, mullein. There's a lot to be said about all the plants that we represent, and there's a deep, long history and rich cultural appreciation. And there's so much wealth of knowledge and ways that these plants have lived with us and we have lived with them, and they've improved our lives. Today we're going to talk about this plant, and I know it has so much to say, and then I'm just going to talk about this small little aspect of it. We're going to talk about it being a lung herb and an ear herb. When you think of mullein, you think lung and ears. Mullein is a beautiful, beautiful plant. It has these long leaves. It's very soft and feathery and rosette. And in my yard, it seems to grow in different places every year. Like sometimes it's in the back, sometimes it's on the side, sometimes it's in the further back. But this beautiful leaf is really great for coughs because it's an expectorant, and it's a vulnerary, so it helps soothe the irritated tissues when you have a cough. And it is a demulcent, so it helps this cough be productive and effective. So when you think of the leaf of mullein and you have a cough and you want to get the phlegm out, you want to drink mullein tea. Lots of people will actually smoke mullein leaf, and it's going to make you cough a bunch, and you're like, oh, why in the world would you have me smoke this? It's because they're trying to get all the phlegm out of you. We blend it in our new product and our new tea. It's super delicious. I'm drinking it today. Lung support tea. And we blend mullein with sage leaf and yarrow and peppermint. So this tea is really great for drying up wet things and help getting it out. When you think about the aspect of mullein being an ear herb, you're not looking to the leaf. Well, you can in one way. You would look to the leaf in this way, is that it's decongestant and it's help clearing up the mucus and the phlegm and getting it out. And when you have an earache, it's usually preceded by a cough or a runny nose. So if you have a bunch of phlegm and it stays in there and you don't get it out of your system, then it can become an earache. So that's how the leaf would be helpful, is just getting the congestion out so you don't have the earache. But in terms of having an earache, it's the beautiful yellow flowers that are analgesic. And we include mullein ear flowers in our earache relief oil. And there's a picture of it for you to see. We blend the mullein flowers with arnica flowers specifically to help soothe and aid in release of the pain. When you have an earache, it's hot and it hurts and it throbs, or it's piercing and it's just really painful, and you want to just do anything to comfort that pain. And dropping warmed mullein flowers with arnica and garlic and coptis root into your ear can help soothe the pain. The earache relief oil is not only for soothing pain, but it's also blended with antimicrobial herbs to help kill the bacteria on contact. Mullein is a wonderful healing plant that is safe for children and for adults, for acute lung conditions and for long-term chronic lung conditions like bronchitis and pneumonia, emphysema, and also for acute and chronic ear infections. I encourage you to take your time to get to know this plant more and to drink nourishing, healing teas for your lungs, because your lungs are your life support, right? And your ears, these are part of your senses, right? Your ears, how you hear, how you navigate through the world, and how you breathe, helps enhance and improve your entire life and your entire well-being. And so, my friends, I encourage you to always drink deep, walk in beauty. And if you're watching this anywhere other than our website, I encourage you to go to our website now and you'll find these products there. And remember, if you like this video, share it and like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.